Take a deep breath. You have time. It isn't a race or a competition. See the world around you. There's beauty in the big and the smallest of smalls. Hard work is worth it. There's room for you at the table. You thought about quitting. You tried it on, and you didn't want to. Storytellers tell stories. Artists make art. Authors write. Creatives create. Singers sing. Musicians play. Builders build. Designers design. Teachers teach. And encouragers encourage. Wealth and money aren't the same things. You don't have to do it all. Simplify. Everything for the audience of one. Go a little slower. Learn to rest and remember to play. Life and health are a privilege. Create today. Contentment is a choice. Your intellect makes a wonderful servant and a terrible master. It's your moral obligation to be well rested for your family. Leave the room better than you came. You can be encouraged. You can't be encouraged by what you don't measure. Where is your inflow? Feed your soul. Feed it music, journaling, being still, breathing, going to bed early, finishing something, calling a friend. Remember, remembrance helps. Nothing is wasted. Growth often comes with adversity. Who would you be and what would you do in the absence of your concern? Spice of life, nerves, means you're growing, you're risking. Beauty is worth slowing down for. What are you learning? Today, not yesterday, and not tomorrow. Stay alive to living. Delight is worth it. Read more, scroll less. Ordinary becomes extraordinary when you pay attention. There's beauty hiding in plain sight. Don't rush past the season you're in. Leave margins for joy. Keep becoming a student. Gratitude changes what you notice. Rest isn't the reward for your work. It's part of your work. You become what you consistently take in. The world needs what only you can make. Faithfulness is rarely flashy. Small things become big things when they're repeated. The next faithful step is enough. Make things that outlive the moment. Your pace is part of your message. Grow roots before you reach for fruit. Choose wonder over worry. Collect contentment. Moments, not just accomplishment. Keep your heart soft. Don't hurry beauty. Pay attention. Your life is happening now. And the life you're building is more important than the goals you're chasing.